Today I'm going to be reviewing Sattiyrch's Christmas light bag here. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So this is what the bag looks like. You got the two handles to carry it around like a duffel bag. Inside, what you're going to get are 4 reels. All right, so inside you're going to get 4 of these. When you get these are not together. You just spin them on there and you're good to go, and you can wrap the lights around there. Now I have one with lights wrapped around. I've got 3 in here once we put this one back in. Now this is a wheel with minis. I just wrapped these mini lights around here. So depending on the size of lights you're using, you can get a certain amount of them on there. So on the minis, you can get about 300 mini lights on each reel. If you use a size C, you're gonna get 200 on each reel, or 800 total. And if you use size D, you're gonna get 80 on each reel for a total of 320. What's really nice about this product is not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.6 stars with over 240 reviews. And last month, 700 plus of this storage bag was sold. So if you're looking for a way to store your lights, you wanna do it better than you have been in the past, take a look at this. This is going to make life easy. And then next year when Christmas comes along, you're going to be ready to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.